Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Iza Zufana. My student ID is 005 and I will present it about linguistic devices. What is the linguistic devices? Linguistic devices are words or phrases that convey a meaning which is different to the literal one. There are several forms of linguistic devices, one of which is figurative language. What is the figurative language? Figurative language is a language style used by the writer or speaker to convey a message imaginatively and figuratively, which aims to make the reader or listener get a certain effect from the language style used. In addition, figurative language is a language expression, a language style whose meaning doesn't refer to the literal meaning of the supporting words, but to the implied meaning. Figurative language is often used in literary language such as poems, drama, theater, and song lyrics. There are several types of figurative language. The first is similes. What is the similes? Similes are one of the groups of comparison that use words as comparison to express their intention and purposes. So, in simile sentences, the writer or speaker can compare their ideas or ideas with similes. Objects or characters that have similar characteristics or meanings to describe the ideas or ideas intended by the writer. Nah, similes usually use words like or as. For the example, clean as a whistle, brave as a lion. The second is hyperbole. Hyperbole is a figurative language that is used to express something with an exaggerated impression, even almost absurd. For the example, I had a ton of homework. The third is metaphor. Metaphor is a type of figurative language used to place an object that is similar in nature to the message to be conveyed in the form of an expression. In addition, metaphor is also used to explain or describe something by referring to another thing that is considered to have similar characteristic to the thing or person you want to describe. Metaphor is not an actual meaning, or in other words, it is just a figurative meaning. In metaphor, we don't use like or as because the use of these two words is typical of similes. Metaphor would state that A is B, whereas in simile, we simply state that A is like B. For the example, time is money, love is a battlefield. The next is personification. Personification is a type of figurative language where human qualities are given to animals, objects, or ideas. For the example, the sun smiled at us. For the last is allusion. Figurative language of the allusion type uses sentences that refer to events, legends, parables, important figures, or even in the past that are considered known both by the speaker and by the interlocutor to relate events in the present. For the example, your house is just like Disneyland. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for the watching videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.